An explanation of cavitation therapy. Cavitation therapy, also known as ultrasonic cavitation, is a minimally invasive cosmetic surgery that targets specific body fat deposits with ultrasound technology. The ultrasonic vibrations force the fat cells to vibrate and disintegrate, which is then eliminated by the body's natural processes. The skin of the troublesome region, which may include the buttocks, thighs, belly, and hips, is exposed to an ultrasound-emitting device. It may take multiple sessions to achieve the desired outcomes. Despite the fact that cavitation therapy is generally regarded as safe and effective, some people, such as liver or renal illness, and pregnant women may not be able to use it. Here are a few typical applications for cavitation therapy. 1. Body contouring. Cavitation therapy is frequently used to contour the belly, thighs, and arms. It does this by reducing the appearance of cellulite, tightening and toning the skin. 2. Weight loss. Cavitation therapy is a non-surgical option to liposuction that can be used to get rid of stubborn fat and promote weight loss. 3. Skin rejuvenation. Cavitation therapy can also aid in stimulating the creation of collagen, increasing the skin's general look and suppleness. 4. Pain relief. According to some research, cavitation therapy may be useful in lowering pain and inflammation, making it a possible treatment for ailments like fibromyalgia and arthritis.